Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our foaming sprayer and brilliant finish car wash. This dynamic duo of car washing is a great way to improve both the fun and safety of your routine car washing process. These products represent a safer way to wash your car by hand. Foam clings to the surface, supercharging your car wash, giving it longer to loosen, encapsulate, and pull dirt away from the surface of your paint. This leaves less abrasives on the surface to help prevent scratching when it comes time to introduce your wash mitts or pads. An already high sudsing formula, Brilliant Finish Car Wash gets even more impressive when applied with our foaming sprayer. Brilliant Finish Car Wash will not strip your wax and sealant base coat and is formulated with special brighteners that produce a lasting, high gloss and streak-free appearance. Getting this 1-2 punch ready for action is easy. The foaming sprayer simply connects to your water hose, and then it's a matter of mixing in the proper ratio of Brilliant Finish Car Wash. Pour 3 ounces of car wash in the 32-ounce reservoir and then fill the balance of the reservoir with water. Reattach the top, shake it, connect it back to the trigger, and you're ready to rock and roll. Apply a thick layer of foam, starting from the bottom of the vehicle and working your way up. The foaming sprayer's locking, variable flow trigger reduces fatigue, especially when washing super dirty vehicles or big trucks or RVs. By the time you've worked your way around the vehicle, disconnect the foam reservoir from the trigger and rinse the foam off the vehicle before starting your hand washing process. Once you've broken down all that heavy dirt, it's time to wash by hand. Add an ounce of Brilliant Finish Car Wash for each gallon of water you will use in your wash bucket to create the perfect soap and water mix. Using the wash mitt of your choice, wash the car from the top down, frequently rinsing and resudsing your mitt as you go. When you're done with your mitt, you can utilize the sprayer's built-in pistol grip nozzle to rinse your ride. Again, work from the top down and allow the soap to cascade off your vehicle. Once you've rinsed, dry with a PFM microfiber drying towel. These two products are a perfect match that provide a high-quality wash while upping the fun factor and safety of your weekend car care therapy. Thank you for watching. For more information on either of these products, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.